In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import best email contacts in Systemi.io. We'll start with exporting your existing contacts, then move on to preparing and importing a CSV file back into Systemi.io. Follow along on your own account so you can pause and try each step as we go. First, log into your Systemi.io account. At the top menu, move your mouse over the CRM tab, and from the drop-down, click on Contacts. This will open your main contacts list. On the left side, you'll see different filters you can use, such as tags, email activity, and other criteria. Use these filters to narrow down your list to only the contacts you actually want to export. Once you've applied the filters and you're happy with the results, select those contacts from the list. Now look at the bottom right corner of the page and click on More Actions. From the options that appear, choose Export. A pop-up window will open where you can decide which columns you want to include in your export file, such as email, name, and other details. Select the columns that are relevant for you, then choose a delimiter. In most cases, the default option is fine, especially if you're going to open the file in a spreadsheet tool. When you're done, click Export at the bottom. Systemi.io will email you a link to download the file. Keep in mind that this link is only valid for about 3 days, so make sure you download it before it expires. Next, let's prepare a CSV file for importing contacts. Open your spreadsheet tool and set up the first row with basic header columns like email, first name, and last name. You can also add extra columns such as phone, street address, city, or postal code if you need them. Below each header, add the corresponding values for each contact. Once everything looks correct, go to the File menu at the top left, choose Download, and select comma-separated values, or CSV. Now go back to your Systemi.io account. Again, hover over the CRM tab at the top and click on Contacts in the drop-down. This time, look at the top right and click Import Contacts. In the section that appears, click the area that says you can select your CSV file. A pop-up will open so you can browse your computer. Locate your CSV file, select it, and click Open. After the upload finishes, you'll see options to apply tags or even create new ones, and to select any campaigns you want these email contacts to join. This is a great way to keep your list organized from the start. When you're ready, click Next at the bottom. A preview pop-up will appear showing the contacts you're about to import. Review the details carefully, then click Import. Finally, go back to your main contacts list to confirm that the new contacts have been added. If you don't see them right away, simply refresh the page and wait a few moments for it to reload. Once the list updates, your imported email contacts should be visible and ready to use inside Systemi.io.